So I just popped down Halfords and grabbed myself some white primer. I'm going to have another go at this wing. I posed the question, right, should I have used a white primer? It was a nagging thing as soon as I started spraying it. I should have used grey because the panel came pre-painted in grey primer. I think it should have been white. So this is just a little bit too dark. So plan is white primer it, well, flat it back a bit first, white primer it. I've got half a can of the same Battersea Blue MG paint left, so we'll chuck that on. And I have also, on your recommendation of a couple of folks on here, bought some 2K Pro Superior lacquer. So I'll chuck all this on the wing and see what happens. But let's see what I can do minimalist to get the wing off. Bit of steering lock on. So not too bad. Did that without taking the bumper off or anything. It's a little bit of a fiddle, but pretty straightforward. The wheel arch liner's all still in as well, so happy days. I'm just going to arch this out the way a little bit. So my plan here is just to give this a quick run over. Okay. So camera didn't get it, but basically I've sprayed white primer. So we've got I've given it a couple of coats, so I'm going to leave it now for a bit of time, let it harden off, and then yeah, we'll stick some base coat on it. Now we need is a bit of blue. And we're out, pretty much. Got a little bit left. We'll keep that for any little touch-uppy bits. Okay, so that's a thorough coat of blue. So this stuff, it says remove cap from base. Ooh. Insert metal ring into the base of can. Pull ring fully down. Ah, metal ring. Ah, right, okay. So it's got, so this is 2K, right? So it's you've got to mix it first. So it's got a hardener in it. Basically, there is a little metal ring like this. You thread that just like a key through the thing on the bottom and give it a yank, and then it goes off. It's like pull the pin on the grenade, right? So I think what I'll do, I'll just give this 20 minutes or so just to dry a little. And then, yeah, we'll throw some of this stuff on. How exciting. Cup of tea time. Pull down ring. It's exciting. And turn 360 degrees. There we go. So now shake for 2 minutes. This base coat's gone on pretty well. It looks quite good. I'm interested to see if it is any lighter. At the moment, of course, because it's just a dull base coat, it's not got the shine on it yet. I mean, it looks lighter. Am I just being hopeful? Well, it's looking super shiny. Looks great, actually, to be fair. So after a couple of coats of this stuff, so fair play, the lacquer is definitely better. I've got a really nice finish, but the paint is absolutely too dark. Funny, it looks lighter in that light, right? Anyway, so that's take two. I don't think I've actually changed anything really with the white background, with the white base. Yeah, so I think the next step, if we are going to carry on this mission in paint, would have been easier to take it somewhere I know, but I wouldn't be enjoying myself quite so much then, right? So next stage is to chop a bit of this door out. A nice little square section. I've thrown all the bits of old wing and things like that. They've already gone away. I did a scrap run. So chop a bit of this door out and yeah, go down to the paint shop and say, could I have some of that please, and see if they can match it up into a tin for me. Just too dark. I'm up high. Oh. Higher than the house. Okay, so it's been it's dried for a good few hours, so what I'm going to do is slap it back on, pull it back into the garage. So yeah, see if getting it back on is as quick as getting it off. So you know what, just offering it up inside of here, I was sure the colour was really off. I'm not so sure, you know. That looks really good. Now I've offered it up, or maybe it's just the light in here. It looks really quite good. I'm gonna have to get it bolted on and get it outside before it gets dark.
A few moments later.
Nice. All right, so we are all good to go. Everything's buttoned up. Let's get it out the garage. So, so it is still darker. But it's funny because, I mean, look at it there. The camera really picks up a difference. I myself, looking at it, it doesn't look quite as obvious. It's definitely better. All right, so I am happier with that. It's definitely better than the previous version. The lacquer is better, so fair play for you folks that recommended the 2K lacquer. It definitely is a much nicer finish. I laid it on nice and thick as well. I just took that 200ml can onto it basically, and yeah, looks good. What I'll do is I'll get some compound on it tomorrow. You can actually see how shiny it is because you can see the reflection of the little Audi in the wing look. The other one, the other lacquer I used in the previous one, it was still dull afterwards. It needed compound to get it shiny. This one is already pretty shiny, so we'll get some compound on it and we'll see. Now, I think the bumper is a slightly lighter shade as well, so I don't think that's helping my my cause. I don't know, it's hard to, well, maybe not, maybe the bonnet looks okay. Anyway, I'm cool. I think it's I think that's pretty much close enough for the time being. For me, I'm done with it for the time being. It was an interesting exercise. That to me, well, we'll see when I've got some compound on it, but that is pretty much close to a paint shop finish, I reckon. So, you know, to my jaded old eyes. Having a go at making my own little bracket to hold the light. Well, hold the light in this part just here. So I've got this little bit of plastic that I've just robbed off basically the old one of these. And then the idea is to mount that there and then put a bolt through it into the light, as well as some plastic weld. But what I need to do is I've just got to take a little tiny bit off this side just here. All right, there we go. That's a bit more like it. And last little job, I just got the heat gun out and put a bit of heat on that the little serial sticker, the little VIN number, and yeah, I've swapped it onto this one. Job's good. None of that stamping it in. So So the camera sort of seems to pick it out a little bit more, but it looks really good. I'm well chuffed with it. I just gave it a quick polish and looks all right. All right, so that's just a little quick video. I've stuck it on Marketplace and on eBay, and I'll probably stick it on Auto Trader as well, actually. Places where folks might look that are looking for something a little bit newer than the ordinary sort of cheapy runaround. So yeah, we need to be a bit smarter where we list this one, I think. But for the time being, thanks so much for watching, and yeah, I am happy.